welcome to my home. Let's go on a happy home tour. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the living room. It looks empty. Let's add some things. Wow, now it has a sofa, a coffee table, and a TV. So much better. Here's the dining room. Nothing here yet. Yay! Now it has a table, chairs, and a fruit bowl. Now we can eat yummy meals together. This is the kitchen. Look, a fridge, a stove, and pots. Mommy makes tasty food here. This is a bedroom. This is Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. It's empty right now. Wow! Now it has a big bed, pillows, and lamps. It's where Mama and Dada take their good night's sleep. This is the bathroom. There's a sink, a toilet, and a bathtub. Time to wash and splash. This is my bedroom. See? My bed, my books, and my toys. It's cozy and fun. This is the study room. After school, I come here to read and draw. There's a study table, chair, and my school bag. Let's go outside. This is our backyard. There's a swing, some flowers, and a tree. And look, it's also our barbecue area. We have a grill, and sometimes we have barbecue night with Mama and Dada. We enjoy grilled chicken, veggies, and lots of yummy food. I love playing and eating out here in the sunshine. And that's the end of my happy home tour. Did you have fun? I did too. We saw the living room, dining room, kitchen, bedrooms, playroom, study room, bathroom, and even our beautiful backyard with barbecue. Thank you for coming with me. And let me know in the comment section if you want the part 2. I'll show you all the fun things I do in each room. Bye-bye for now. See you next time. Zunamoli loves you so much.